I made this video for charging port of Jambox. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's the only way you can support me. And also click on the notification button so that you can see. Yes, now let's cut out the one of the charging ports we are going to use for this job. Yes, we'll cut this one. Let's peel the rubber cover. Yes, it's out now. You get a tiny copper wire that can be solderable. You peel it, you remove the paint, you peel the paint. After peeling it, you solder it to the charging port. The charging port have 5 legs. 2 is for one is for 5-volt light, the other one is negative. You can connect it to earth. So the middle ones are for data transfer and the other things. So you connect one on this leg, connect one on this leg. One is plus, one is minus. So once it's done, yes, see it now. The charging port is ready. But before you proceed, you have to test continuity and check whether the soldering is touching the case of the charging port. If it is touching them, that means it's wrong. Only one is permitted to touch, but not necessary. One is the ground. So you use meter and test. Yes, this one is the test the continuity, whether it's touching the case. If it is touching, that means it's wrong. You have to redo it again. Now let me test with my multimeter. Yes, look at my multimeter here. I test continuity. Yes, my meter have continuity. So I'm testing. There is no continuity in the connection. So that means it is proper. We can go ahead and use it. We can go ahead and fix it to the panel of the Jambox. There's no continuity. That means it is properly connected. You see it? No continuity. It is properly connected. So now let's go ahead and connect it to the Jambox panel. Okay, let's test the charging, whether it is bringing voltage. So that is another thing. After fixing the wire, you test it whether the charging port is working, is bringing voltage. It will bring 5 volts if it is properly connected. I've told you, we connect only 2 wires. One is plus voltage, the other one is negative voltage. So look at the meter now. Let's see. This one is negative voltage. I connect my negative probe and connect the other one to positive. No. Yes. So here now we have voltage. So let's we have voltage now. This is 5 volts. So that means the charging port is properly connected. Let's test it again. You see the charging port is connected with two wires, copper wires. So let's test again so that you will confirm that the charging port is working fine. Look at the meter very well. The connection is proper. The charging port is well connected. So let's go ahead and place it in the charging jam box panel. The jam box panel, the seating is damaged, so we are going to use modified acrylic adhesive to hold it firm. Now you may be wondering why we are connecting the wire to the charging port. It is because the seating of the connection of the charging port is damaged, so we are using the wire to trace it directly to the diode. Yes, this diode now is the charging diode. The diode that is, you see it now. So we use soldering iron to hold the seating temporarily before we can place the gum on top. But first of all, solder the connection, the wires, and make sure that the charging port is working before you put the glue that will hold it on the panel. So now the charging port is temporarily held to the panel. You connect the wires, connect the earth to the negative volt of the charging port to the ground of the panel. You can use your meter to trace the ground, like you see where the ground of that one is now. You connect the positive voltage to the diode. Yes, connect it to the positive of the diode. Yes, this is the battery connector, positive and negative. Yes, connect the earth. Yes, this is my light and my ground. So connect the earth to the ground. Because the seating is damaged, we are going to use that modified acrylic adhesive. See it. This is the modified acrylic adhesive we will use to hold the charging port so that it can be durable. Mix both of them together and place it on top of the charging port with the panel so that it can hold the seating. You have to be careful so that you won't cover the inside. If you block the inside, the charger cannot enter. So you have to be very, very careful while doing this. Yes, it is done now. The gum is dried, so we can now test our jam box and see whether it is working or not. No battery is connected yet. So let's test our jam box and see. Nothing has been connected. Both battery, both speaker, nothing has been connected. So let's see. I've plugged my charger. Let's try owning the jam box and see. No battery is connected. This is the battery connector. This is the USB. See, it's on now. So without connecting the battery, the charging port, the jam box is on. So that means we we got what we are looking for. Yeah, this is the battery connector. No battery is connected. No battery is connected, but the jam box is on now. So it shows that we are powering it with the direct light that is coming from the charger. So please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the notification button to get all my coming videos.